Welcome to Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. This is Slop in the Shop. This is my video blog of what I do during the week or whenever I put these together, all kind of little odd-and-end clips that I just build into a video for you. Sort of like pig slop. It's just a mixture of whatever we throw in the bucket. Pull your chair up, enjoy the video. Okay, right here is my setup on my piece of Lexan that I'm going to use to make the corner shelf it came in. So I thought you'd like to see that. I'm doing some upgrades to my GoPro system to use it. I kind of got inspired by my friend Tom. This here cord here you see turning around, it goes to a plug where you could use outside mic. This is a Hero 5. It takes a little different plug, so I had to order that. This is a different case. It's made by Altman. I picked it up from Amazon, and it's got a fake hot shoe mount for a mic. Well, I've got a mic ordered, so we're going to set this up, and you'll be seeing this a little more about this in No Slop in the Shop. Let me zoom in here. I can zoom in. See these two plugs right here? This deck was built by a friend of Chris's before I came along, and he drilled these holes on this side and on the other side to support this bottom beam right here that holds the corner up. And what I did is I was pressure washing this yesterday. We're going to have an Easter cookout. This is Saturday before Easter. And so with these two places here were holes, and basically bumblebees was trying to make homes in it. So I went in and made these Durlin plugs to drive up in there to kind of knock the bumblebees out of a home. I'm going to not stay well on this too much. Sometimes slop in the shop's not always about machining. Sometimes slop in the shop is about helping. If you'll notice right beside of my house, there's a home. There's a lady there that's got some health issues, and she has some trouble with her grass, as you can obviously see. So the lawnmower's fixing to get over there. I'm going to go cut it for her. I already talked to her about it a couple days ago. Have a good one. Well, it sure ain't pretty because that stuff was bad. I'll kind of try to zoom in a little bit, but you can see I got it cut down. So at least I done my good deed for the day. Have a good. Okay, well right there is my finished GoPro setup. This is the case, the charger, and the microphone. So there it is. So now I can use the GoPro some more back too, because it seems like I've been having some volume options with it. So there we go. We're good to go. The other week you seen me cut a board, and I was doing it with the GoPro, and you didn't get a really good picture of what this is for. This is another one of them shelves. This is at our kitchen, and that's what it's set there for us to put teapots just right above the door, just like that. It's a really good picture, so that's what that was for. And this is one of the decorative shelf I made the other day, sitting in our kitchen. Right now we've kind of cleaned the kitchen up and a little bit in the corner, but that's what that's set there for. Good morning, this is Jim. If you're not a subscriber and the old Iron Lover channel out in Colorado, please do. I exchanged some stickers with Bob and got some business. Keith sent me a business card and a couple stickers. Obviously, we'll put the stickers up on our sticker wall here, and one of them. And I just appreciate it. We exchanged some stickers. I sent Bob an oil cup to try out, as usual. So I thought I would pull that out there for you and show you the latest sticker. I'm working on the corner shelf for the kitchen. My Lexan came in. So what we're doing is just drawing it right off there. There's a coating on this Lexan, by the way. It peels off. It allows you to work with it. So we're just going to cut this corner out of it like that. Retire to the saw. Okay, guys. The tricky part about laying this out, and I had to kind of figure it out, is I want to be a little bit off, but I also want this to set a certain way. So, see, like this one, I can set it where I want. These corners are a lot more, so I want to mark this one. See how high this is up from the center line up to it. And that's about 1.25 inches. We just sort of have to split this down the middle here. This is more of a visual once I figure this out, because we just sort of have to do this with these complex angles across there. That across here should be go a little there, about an inch across. Then we'll just take us a center punch right there, and we'll punch some centers in it. I'm sorry, I was just talking and probably mumbling a little bit, but we'll just see. There she be. And I'm not zoomed in because I'm using a GoPro for this work, but there you go. Let me get a little closer. You can see how it looks there. Sets right in the corner. That looks really good. Hey guys, I'm gonna knock these holes out. I already center punched them, just to lay them out. This is nothing, you know, it's got like a machining job. This is more of a visual, so. Lexan's pretty easy to work with, and I will tell you, the reason I got this Lexan to make these shells is pretty simple. The Lexan is a little bit more tolerant of sawing and machining than plexiglass. Plexiglass is rather brittle. And we'll slide right over here. Let me just turn the camera a second. That's what's nice, but I always just keep a deburring tool and just drill press all the time. Flip her over. Like I say, this is going in the corner of her kitchen, and I will show you when I get her done. Let me reach over here and cut you off. You want to see how to spend $200 and not in the machine shop? Right there it is. We're going to fertilize the yard sometime today, so I went by and got it. That's 600 pounds for this pretty good sized place. I meant to show you this, and you see we got lights in the building down here now, and I'm going to do some work. I got to change some lawnmower blades and stuff like that too today. So I've got a list. I'm doing household work today, just to go to show you I've got my lights in. Okay, there it is stored. This little old piece of conduit I had. Now I'm going to make another little piece, or fix another bottle this morning. I'm going to hold it sideways here, let it set. It's just now gluing. Here's the deal. First person that makes a comment on Slop Shop with this bottle in makes a comment and mentions in the comment, I want this bottle, will get it. And there'll be no drawing. You got to be quick on the draw. So the very first person who says, I want this little bottle, I'm going to send it to you. free of charge anywhere in the continental United States or Canada. I will put that to it. I'm not going to send a damn gum bottle to Australia and pay $10 to give you $1.50 bottle. I mean, excuse me, I'm sorry, but you know, but anybody who wants a bench bottle, I'll send it to you in the continental United States or Canada. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop today. Just want to remind you that this is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Saw Logs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment here on YouTube. Please tell your friends about Slop in the Shop or any other of my videos on the channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already did so. And I really appreciate you taking your time to pull a virtual chair up and watching my video. So, with no further ado, we will see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching my video, especially Slop in the Shop.